Chicken Malai Boti is a popular South Asian dish known for its creamy and flavorful marinade. Here's a basic recipe for making Chicken Malai Boti. Ingredients. For marination. 1. 1 kg boneless chicken, cut into cubes or strips. 2. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3. 1/2 cup fresh cream, malai. 4. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 5. 1 tablespoon white pepper powder. 6. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 7. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. 9. 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg powder. 10. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 11. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 12. Salt to taste. For grilling. 1. Skewers, metal or bamboo, soaked in water. 2. Butter or oil for basting. For garnish, optional. 1. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 2. Lemon wedges. 3. Onion rings. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine yogurt, fresh cream, ginger garlic paste, white pepper powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt. Mix well to create the marinade. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid, and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2-4 hours, or preferably overnight. This will allow the flavors to penetrate the chicken. If you're using bamboo skewers, make sure to soak them in water for about 30 minutes before grilling. This prevents them from burning during cooking. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. You can use a charcoal grill, gas grill, or stovetop grill pan. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the skewers, leaving a little space between each piece. Place the skewers on the preheated grill and cook for about 15-20 minutes, turning occasionally. Baste the chicken with butter or oil to keep it moist and prevent sticking. The chicken is done when it's cooked through and has a nice char on the outside. You can test by cutting a piece open to make sure it's no longer pink in the center. Once cooked, remove the Chicken Malai Boti skewers from the grill. Garnish the Chicken Malai Boti with chopped fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with lemon wedges and onion rings on the side. Enjoy your delicious and creamy Chicken Malai Boti with naan, roti, or rice along with your favorite chutney or raita. Remember that the cooking time may vary depending on the type of grill you are using and the thickness of the chicken pieces. It's important to ensure the chicken is cooked thoroughly before serving.